Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. Today's topic is simple and short conversation in daily life. In this video, you will learn some short and simple sentences for everyday use.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My little brother is the youngest.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them every weekend.
Do you have a big family?
No, my family is small.
Who cooks in your family?
My mom usually cooks.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What do you do with your family on the weekend?
We watch movies together.
Who is the funniest person in your family?
My uncle is really funny.
Do you have family gatherings?
Yes, during holidays.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always have breakfast.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
No, I don't.
What time do you go to bed?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
How do you start your day?
I start with a cup of coffee.
Do you have a fixed schedule?
Yes, I follow a routine.
How often do you check your phone?
Many times a day.
Do you watch TV every night?
No, only sometimes.
What do you do before going to bed?
I read a book.
How do you practice English?
I watch English movies.
Do you read English books?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it.
How often do you study English?
Every day for 1 hour.
Do you speak English with friends?
Yes, when I get the chance.
What's your favorite English word?
happiness.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I keep a journal.
Have you taken an English test?
Yes, I have.
Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, I want to be fluent.
Why do you learn English?
It helps me travel and work.
Do you like vacations?
Yes, I love them.
Where do you usually go?
I go to the beach.
Do you prefer summer or winter vacations?
I prefer summer vacations.
What's your dream vacation?
I want to visit Paris.
Do you travel alone or with family?
With my family.
How long was your last vacation?
It was 1 week long.
Do you like adventure trips?
Yes, they are exciting.
What do you pack for a vacation?
Clothes, camera, and sunscreen.
Do you take photos on vacation?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
What's the best place you visited?
I loved visiting Japan.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but often.
Who taught you to cook?
My mom taught me.
Do you like baking?
Yes, I enjoy baking cakes.
What ingredients do you use most?
I use garlic, onions, and tomatoes.
Do you follow recipes?
Yes, I use cookbooks.
What's your favorite spice?
I love black pepper.
Do you cook for your family?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
What's your favorite book?
I love mystery novels.
How often do you read?
I read every night.
Do you prefer fiction or nonfiction?
I prefer fiction.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, I visit the library often.
Do you read ebooks?
Yes, sometimes on my phone.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading a thriller novel.
Who is your favorite author?
I like Agatha Christie.
Do you like long or short books?
I like short books.
Have you ever written a book?
No, but I would love to.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!